Okay, welcome everybody. So last review of the year for me. Today I ended up taking a little bit of a loss, nothing too crazy, sad, but show you guys where it came in and where it could have been a little bit better. So as we were moving down, pretty choppy early. New Year's Eve today, New Year's Day tomorrow, kind of pretty sideways action. But what we did, we had this bearish FVG, hit this, swept the low, hit this demand, and created a bullish one after invalidating the downside. And to me, it's worth a watch. Really wasn't an A+ setup. You can see at the same time we were still in downtrend structure. Move up, move down. This would have had to have been closed above to break that structure. Had this crazy, I don't know, data or something, but crazy candle here that just kind of moved. We were up here and we pretty much moved down to like in a second. But respect to this zone, I understood it was higher risk, wasn't A+ setup, but decided to give it a go. Entered here. It actually got to the 1-to-1 spot, but contracts, I don't know if because of this candle or whatever the case may be, needed a little bit more to get to that spot, so didn't quite get the trim spot. It was probably right here. Came back down, pretty aggressive flush candle down, and hit the stop. So things could have done better. Again, seeing the early chop, short week, holiday tomorrow, could have played more conservatively. B, we never broke structure, so I was fighting the trend and taking this entry. C, it just coming off this crazy action here, could have just understood that a little bit better. Not tried to force it against it, but not the worst idea. Just, high risk trade, just knew that coming in, decided to give it a go. And then the last day I could have done better. When it got a few points away from my stop, could have moved that stop back to break even just to kind of de-risk the trade. But for me, it wouldn't have invalidated it, just having coming down. Generally, when we get towards that trim spot, come down like this, in a general case, it wouldn't have invalidated for me, so move that stop would have been a little bit premature. But in this case, with just the crazy action, could have just de-risked it a little bit. Did do that, good lesson to learn, but yeah, it's been a good year. A lot of growth, a lot of good things. Pretty excited for 2025, getting out content, different types of content, trying out different things, seeing what you guys would like the best. If you have anything in mind, leave something in the comments. Gonna document my journey and really get that more in detail throughout the whole year. So yeah, very excited. Gonna be a great one. Appreciate you guys all for coming for the last time this year, and see you next year. Peace, guys.